In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ignore files in cursor indexing using .cursorignore. First, go to the root of your project in Cursor. This is where you'll create a special file called .cursorignore. This file works just like .getignore, but it tells Cursor which files and folders to exclude from AI indexing. This helps improve performance and keeps irrelevant files out of your AI results. Inside the .cursorignore file, simply list the files or directories you want to ignore. For example, you can add node underscore modules / dist / or any large generated files. You can also ignore specific file types like .log or .env if you don't want them included in AI context. After saving the file, Cursor will automatically respect these rules and exclude those files from indexing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.